This, without a doubt, is my most favorite blend of all Perfect Potion. If someone was to ask, what is the scent that embodies Perfect Potion? It has to be Green Goddess. It's a very special blend because it has over 23 essential oils. So amazing that we've made it into a perfume. We've made it into a lot of skincare products as well. But what I like about it is the effect that it has energetically. You may know that I am the author of this gorgeous book, Aromatherapy and Chakras. And in Aromatherapy and Chakras, there's a little section where I talk about GDV. And this is referred to as gas discharge voltage. And it's like the old, Kirlian photography. It's a very interesting way of being able to measure how balanced our energy is in the body. And on page 104, I talk about a very interesting experience I had when I was in Japan at a conference, and the gentleman had one of these machines, and he invited us up to his laboratory to do some tests. He told us, bring up some essential oils, and we did. And he did the GDV on me, and as you can see, the chakras are all so beautifully balanced. I don't think my chakras have ever been balanced like that the day ever since then, but on that day they were perfectly aligned. They were all perfectly balanced. Each of the circles is the same size. Then my friend decided to have her GDV done, and the results were interesting. She hadn't said anything to me that day, but you can see that they're all off center. Some are very small, which when we refer to the chakras, it means they're closed and not letting energy flow. Some were way aligned, off aligned, so they're out of balance emotionally or physically, and some were quite open, meaning they're too open. Straight away, we did ask my friend, my colleague, what's going on? And the night before, she had received some really terrible news, which I won't go into, but she was very emotionally upset. She hadn't slept well that night. And so our friend who operated this GDV equipment said, what's your favorite essential oil? She had in her bag a bottle of the Green Goddess. She inhaled it. She said, inhaled it. We just waited, I think, a minute or two, just to appreciate the effects of scent, because our reaction to scent is often immediate. It makes us feel calm, it makes us feel more centered and balanced. And then after a few minutes, we did the GDV again. We were so surprised. She obviously physically and emotionally felt much more centered and calm. And look at the results from before and after. And this was thanks to the Green Goddess scent. Now, I could go on and on talking about the chakras, like you said, from the base chakra all the way up to the crown chakra. It had an effect of aligning these energy centers. And the reason this is possible, because in the Green Goddess blend, we have essential oils that resonate and help to balance the base chakra, all the way up through to the crown chakra. So there are essential oils in there for each of the chakra energy centers. It just really is it is a very special blend. It just not only smells amazing, it actually really does have this powerful effect of realigning our energy flows through our body and helping us to feel more centered, calm and focused. I do hope you will enjoy this gorgeous Green Goddess essential oil blend. My favorite.